Why Facebook Marketplace isn't available? There are a few common reasons why the Facebook Marketplace may suddenly become unavailable. Bugs, glitches, or recent updates to the Facebook app can cause temporary outages for certain features like Marketplace. Facebook may also restrict access to Marketplace if they detect suspicious activity, policy violations, or if your account is too new. Also, Facebook Marketplaces is still rolling out globally, so it may not be available in all countries yet. Now, how to fix it? Here are some troubleshooting steps you can try if Facebook Marketplace isn't working on your end. First, update or reinstall the Facebook app. Next, clear the app's cache. To do this on Android, go to Settings, click Apps, tap on Facebook, click Storage, then Clear Data. On iOS, offload or delete the app to clear its cache. You can also try to log out and back in. To do this, tap on the menu, Settings, Log Out, then log back in. Another thing you can do is to use Facebook Lite or the website. Facebook Lite is a stripped-down version that may work if the main app doesn't. You can also access Marketplace directly at facebook.com/marketplace. Lastly, wait for Facebook to resolve it. Outages and bugs are often fixed server-side by Facebook. If none of these work, you may need to wait until Facebook restores your access or file an appeal if you believe it was restricted unfairly. Marketplace availability is still expanding globally, so it may not be accessible everywhere yet.